Right, another video of me just doing stuff in Minecraft with coding, back in this world with all of my lovely towers, and I was just seeing what else you could do with coding. Now, to go back to something we did before, I wanted a lot of mushroom cows. Many mushroom cows. Let's have some more. Sweet. So spawning lots of things is pretty easy, we know that. And I thought it might be fun to get them to all kind of move around a bit. So I have made them so that they kind of just keep shuffling around in a little loop of three things. Notice I've also made it nighttime in code as well, because I thought didn't realise my towers came with lights in them, and I think they look really cool. Anyway, so that's those cows all moving around. It's just on a loop where it happens 3 times. And then the last thing I've done in this particular little bit of code is I did meat. So meat, you'll notice it says over there, I don't know if you can see through all these cows, tick, 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 boom. Let's have a look at that, shall we? So this was spawning cows, that's no surprise. Then we've got the cow shuffle, the move command. So the cow shuffle. And so I set it to be midnight, so I have my towers all looking cool. And I just move them around a bit relative to me. So 20 on the X coordinate, 20 on the Z coordinate, and then back to my position. And I did that 3 times. And I used this pause in between, so they spent like a second in each place. 1,000 milliseconds. 1,000 milliseconds in 1 second, so that's what that pause did. And then finally my command that I called meat maker. So the first thing I did was I set the position to be a fixed position in the world where I was going to be writing tick, 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 boom. So if the player moves around, it doesn't move the timer with them. And the reason for that is the way I'm doing it is I write tick and then I write over that with spaces. But of course, if the player's moved between here and here, then writing over tick with spaces is writing in the wrong place. So that's why I've chosen to have a 2-world position called tick pause, which I have then used tick pause, tick, space, 3 times in the loop, boom, and then kill the lot. Right, so just some more fun stuff, and maybe you can use it or use the ideas in your own game, or not game, project.